Welcome to the funniest cyberspace news and commentaries. Today's date is December 26, 2023. We will start with a breaking news from the space science. Total lunar eclipse will be broadcasted live on the local public radio. And we assure it'll be extremely interesting and entertaining. We also cannot wait to listen. Yes, to listen to this phenomenal natural event. Thank you very much, Public Radio. A major news from the West Coast. Statistics show that teen pregnancies drops off significantly after age 25. And this is to be expected because after turning 25, teens are still teens for sure, but are becoming more mature, and slowly but surely they are learning that there are different measures for birth control. A newspaper from down south reports that bridges help people cross rivers. People, leave your swimsuits and boats at home. From now on, the bridges will help you to cross the rivers. It is amazing. Why we didn't think about this earlier? A brief news from the mystery world. A local psychic hit by a car says he never saw it coming. Well, it is not very easy to be a psychic nowadays. There's so much information coming from everywhere, and these mystery specialists have to filter most of it in order to see what's coming. But the magic does not always work, does it? In the travel news, the local authorities are informing us that Highway 4 overpass bypassed. So, be careful when you go on the bypass overpass, or whatever you understood from this announcement. The directions are very clearly presented to you for your safe travel. In the real estate news, there are reports that slowdown continues to accelerate, and it is difficult to predict when the slowdown will begin to slow down again. And you have to be very careful with your decisions whether to sell or buy a property, especially when slowdown continues to accelerate. I hope that is clear enough for you. The local authorities from the neighboring town report that sewage spill kills fish, but water is safe to drink. Wonderful! And we are not going to question them. The fish may die, but we are strong creatures, and there is nothing this sewage spill can do to us. And finally, the weather forecast. It is not clear whether the weather will bring any storm and whether we should weather the storm if it comes. And these were today's news and commentaries. Stay tuned for the next broadcast. Thank you for watching and have a nice and pleasant day.